Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to pull Queen Bee in the garage, my aunt's garage, cousin's garage, and do the brakes. But when I got in the car, the dang alternator looked like it was all the way down to 12.4. So I may put that regulator in there too, I'll see. Time to get cracking on Queen Bee. I'm going to do the brakes this side, and I'm going to spin the car around and do that side. I don't want to fall against this wall and put a big mark on there like somebody did there. So let me go ahead and break these lug nuts loose, set the parking brake, put my wheel stop in, pull these wheels, put the brakes on. I think I already did the passenger rear when I did that caliper, but I need to do the fronts and this rear over here. Let's get started. Brake job, I decided I'm going to use this engine color, low gloss black, and hit my brake caliper. So let's see how that happens, how that works. I didn't bring my brake bleeder, so I'm bleeding them by myself. Filling that up, adding the fluid in. You start for passenger, then you come driver, side, rear, passenger, front, driver, front. So pumping it 10 times. I got a bottle under there catching it. Lots of stuff to catch it from getting into my cousin's floor. And I'm just going to bleed them. Take my time. Fluid on Queen Bee. Look at that stuff. Brake fluid is pretty much clear, like you see on the top of that. Actually, that looks like water maybe in the system on the top of that stuff. But anyway, this stuff is past due to be bled. I've been driving Queen Bee about 2 years now. But alright, part you can see anyway. So the pads are supposed to have those little half shim plates. The arrow should point to the rotation of the wheel. So you got an arrow right there. I'll put that pad in so that the piston pushes against that. You see I got it greased up, and that is pointing up toward the sky. Somebody had these in backwards, which can make these brakes very noisy. So let me go ahead and slide those brakes in, grease the pins, put the pins in, and then bleed this brake. Took 16 to 18 ounces to get it to start coming clear on the passenger side. On the driver's side, it started coming clear pretty quick. So that passenger rear takes a long time compared to the driver rear. Same thing for the passenger front. It'll come up to there and it'll start pumping clear, and then the driver front will come up to about there, and all the fluid will be replaced. One bottle should do the whole system. My caliper looks. Half of it, the outside is done. Part people see. Plastic bag kept it from spraying on everything else. Through that wheel, that brake caliper looks awesome. Since I was taking the time to clean out my trunk, paint these calipers, I decided to finalize the wiring for this tow hitch. So the wire runs up there. I pulled the seat out, ran it down behind under the seat, pulled the carpet up, ran it down through the trim, come up through here, and I took this hot wire here, spliced it together. That wire is one of these kind that you heat up, and it comes with the shrink wrap. So that's what I'm doing here. Kicked off the day, helped my aunt run some errands. Then I loaded up the car, cleaned out my cousin's garage, all my crap, put it back in Queen B. Now I'm stopping by the salvage yard before I head back to Albuquerque to see if they just maybe put something here this week that I need to get some parts off of before I scat. And then I'm gonna go get lunch and pick up a car dog. Then I'm headed back to Albuquerque, so I'm probably 2 hours behind. Instead of getting home at 7 o'clock, I'll probably get home at 9 o'clock. So, fun-filled day. Woohoo! If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.